Since teams lose up to 60% of warm leads due to poor follow-up timing and generic messaging, yet 78% of buyers say personalized outreach at the right moment makes them more likely to convert. Archiz AI agents will work with your CRM, our CRM, and with Google Sheets as well, so your follow-up sequences are timely, relevant, and fully automated. Schedule multi-step follow-up agent triggers personalized follow-ups across email, WhatsApp, and LinkedIn based on lead activity and stage. Personalize Outreach Agent tailors each message using past conversations, CRM notes, and engagement history. Together, these AI agents help you boost lead conversion by 3x, save 12 plus hours per week per rep on manual follow-ups, reduce lead drop-off by 65%. Using this combo report, 78% reply rate on personalized sequences, 3x increase in booked meetings, $50K plus monthly pipeline uplift. This is one combo, but these agents can connect with dozens more to create custom automation flows tailored to your sales funnel, industry, and CRM logic. This is just one combo, but these agents can be mixed with 100 plus others to create endless workflows. Want to see what's next? Visit archivesolutions.com.